Hello! In this video you will see 3 more ways to wear your big Russian shawl like this as a headscarf for winter. It's very warm and you will see it. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. This is my lovely Russian shawl. Originally it had fringes, but I cut them off. It is very big, but you can make these styles with a smaller scarf too. First, let's make a triangle. I like to use a cotton under hat like this to hide my hair, but you don't have to. Now, take this side of your triangle, just one small part, wrap your head and fix the end with an elastic hairband. These headscarf styles are very comfortable to wear because of this fixation. This is our base for all 3 styles. Now take the long end and hide all the small ends inside it. Fold it a few times, just like this. You can experiment with different folds to show off the different ornaments. Wrap your head and fix the end behind like this. You see, it hides the elastic hairband at the same time. It looks great already. I love this long end on one side. Or you can wear it like this too. Or I have one more idea for you. Let's say you wear a mask. Now you can hide it under your scarf, like this. By the way, if you like Russian scarves, I will leave a few links in the description to some lovely scarves on Etsy. For the second style, take this end and pass it under this part of your headscarf, like this. These styles are very warm because of all these layers of wool wrapped around your head. Last week I spent a few hours outdoor. That was minus 15 Celsius. And I felt very comfortable. It looks like a decorative knot or flower. I think it's lovely. The last style is not as warm as the previous 2, but looks majestic. Take the large end and twist it. Wrap your head and fix the end behind, like this. For some reason, it reminds me of Russian kokoshnik. I like to wear it like this or wrap this end around my chin. For some reason, wearing Russian scarves gives me so much joy. What about you? By the way, do you know how to check if your Russian shawl is a real authentic Russian shawl or it's just a fake? Check this tutorial. It's very detailed and you will learn a lot. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!